If you've ever needed to copy and paste more than one item at a time, you know it can be a tedious process. But, did you know that there's a way to select multiple items and copy and paste them all at once? What you need is the Ctrl or Command key in macOS and Shift key. Here's how it works. To select multiple items, hold down the Ctrl key while clicking on each item you want to select. To cancel the selection, click the empty area on the editor outside any elements, or click any non-selected element. If you want to select a continuous block of items, click the first item and hold down the Shift key while clicking the last item. You can also use the Shift key after you select some items using Ctrl key. The last element you select using the Ctrl key becomes the first item of the block of elements. Hold down the Shift key while clicking the last item of the block. You now have combined selection when you use Ctrl and followed by Shift key. To cancel the selection, click the empty area on the editor outside any elements. You can also combine the Shift key with the arrow keys to select a continuous block of elements. Click the first element of the block, hold the Shift key and press the right or down arrow key to include elements following the first element. Press the left arrow key, or up arrow key, to shrink the selection block. If you continue past the first element, the selection block now includes the previous elements of the first element. Pressing the arrow key to the initial direction again shrinks the block and grows the block to the following elements after the first element. Now, let's copy the name label, title, first name, last name, and company. Hold the Ctrl key and click each of those elements. To copy the selected elements, press the Ctrl+C, or click the Copy button on the editing toolbar at the top right corner. Click the element where the copied element should be. Press Ctrl+V, or click the Paste button on the editing toolbar. Copy and paste using multi-selection tools helps me finish my form quicker. Let me show another useful selection tool. For a quick shortcut to select all elements in the editor, press Ctrl+A. Moving a group of elements is also easy. Use Ctrl+X, or click the Cut button on the editing toolbar. Select another element for the new location of the group of elements. Press the Ctrl+V or click the Paste button on the editing toolbar.